Welcome back, everyone, to our ongoing exploration of plastic. We are here today for another episode of Use Less Plastic, Love the Earth More, where we dive deep into the critical issues our planet faces. In our previous episodes, we've uncovered the unsettling truth about how plastic contamination infiltrates our food chain. Today, we're broadening our scope to examine the pervasive impacts of plastic pollution on both society and environment. Joining me are two esteemed guests, Caitlin, an environmental scientist, and Alina, a passionate community activist.
Thank you for having us again.
Pleasure to be here.
Caitlin, let's dive deeper into the broader repercussions of plastic pollution. Beyond the visible environment damage, what are some of the less obvious consequences that we should be aware of?
Plastic pollution presents a complex web of challenges that extend far beyond its visual impact. While images of plastic-choked oceans are widely circulated, the unseen threats are equally alarming. Plastic contains a cocktail of harmful chemicals that can spread into the environment, contaminating soil, water, sources, and eventually entering the food chain, like we talked about last time. Moreover, the production and disposal of plastic contribute to greenhouse gas emissions, which highlight climate change. From ecological disruptions to public health concerns, the effects of plastic pollution are really big and far-reaching.
Thank you, Caitlin, for highlighting those critical points. Alina, as someone who is deeply involved in community advocacy, how do you perceive the social dimensions of plastic pollution?
Plastic pollution is not just an environmental issue, it's a social justice issue. In many communities, particularly those in the global south and marginalized areas, the burden of plastic pollution falls disproportionately on those least equipped to deal with it. Lack of proper waste management infrastructure leads to overflowing landfills and polluted waterways, posing grave health risks to residents. Furthermore, the plastic industry often targets these vulnerable communities for waste disposal, perpetuating environmental injustice. Addressing plastic pollution requires addressing systematic inequalities and empowering communities to advocate for their rights to a clean and healthy environment.
Your insights shed light on the interconnectedness of environmental and social justice issues. Caitlin, turning back to you, what are some strategies or solutions that can help alleviate the impacts of plastic pollution?
Tackling plastic pollution demands a comprehensive approach involving policy, interventions, technological innovations, and community engagement. Implementing these regulations to reduce single-use plastics and promote sustainable alternatives is a crucial first step, and we need to take it now. Investing in waste management infrastructure, including recycling facilities and proper disposal systems, can help mitigate the accumulation of plastic waste. Additionally, education and awareness-raising campaigns play a vital role in changing consumer behavior and fostering a culture of sustainability. By mobilizing collective action at all levels, we can work towards a future where plastic pollution is minimized and ecosystems are restored.
Thank you, Caitlin and Alina, for your valuable insights into the multifaceted nature of plastic pollution. As we conclude today's discussion, it's evident that addressing the issue really requires a lot of effort from individuals, communities, and policymakers alike. Caitlin, could you share an ongoing research on initiatives that offer hope for tackling plastic pollution?
Absolutely. Researchers worldwide are exploring innovative solutions to mitigate plastic pollution, from developing biodegradable plastics to designing advanced recycling technologies. Collaborative efforts between scientists, industry, stakeholders, and policymakers are essential for translating research findings into actionable strategies. Moreover, grassroots initiatives and community-led cleanup efforts are making a tangible difference in combating plastic pollution at the local level. By harnessing the power of science, innovation, and community engagement, we can pave the way towards a more sustainable future.
Thank you, Caitlin, for highlighting the importance of research and collaboration in addressing plastic pollution. Alina, from your perspective as a community activist, what role do you see grassroots movements playing in driving meaningful change?
That's a really good question, Priscilla. Grassroots movements are at the forefront of the fight against plastic pollution, amplifying the voices of affected communities and advocating for systemic change. By mobilizing individuals and fostering collective action, grassroots initiatives can pressure policymakers and corporations to adopt more sustainable policies. Moreover, community-led cleanup efforts not only contribute to environmental restoration, but also foster a sense of peace and empowerment among participants. As we work towards a plastic-free future, grassroots movements will continue to play a pivotal role in driving meaningful change from the ground up.
Thank you, Alina, for emphasizing the crucial role of grassroots movements in driving meaningful change. Caitlin, Alina, thank you both for your valuable insights and perspectives on plastic pollution. As we conclude today's discussion, let's all commit to taking action in our own lives and communities to reduce plastic waste and protect our planet for future generations.